How to add a Cash App card to PlayStation. You can do this for PlayStation 4 or 5. You want to go to the official PlayStation website, playstation.com, and log into your account. Afterwards, you will click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go into Payment Management. Now from here, it's going to show us the available payment methods. We will click on Add Payment Method. And then you will see add a Venmo account, add a PayPal account. We want to click on the first option, add a credit or debit card. Now from here, it's going to ask for the credit or debit card number. Now the Cash App card is a Visa card, so you can use it. So here you will type out your credit or debit card number. This is going to be your name on the Cash App card or the Cash card or your cash tag. And here you will input the expiration date as well as the CVV. Afterwards, you'll click on next, and that's going to add your Cash App card to PlayStation Network. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.